Demonstrating how to use the scan table application in the RF. Basically, as you seen, these are the rod. This is the rod which is made from polytetraurethane foam. This is the black color polytetraurethane foam, and this which is connected to this again one material which is jack, which is connected to the motor shaft, which will hold the material up to 4.2 kg axial load, and this is connected to with this scan table. The scan table you can remove it easily. So I will show you how to actually. So this is the scan table where the ranges are there. Again, it is made by some particularly RF material, so that he cannot interfere with any RF material. So whatever the DUT you have to place on the scan table. So you have to fit the scan table on this, or in our manual there is a details are there. So here is the scan table. We are fitting the scan table over this rod. Even you can adjust the height of the scan table by using rotating just a second rod. You can place your DUT on this, either mobile, either Zigbee, Bluetooth, IoT device you have to place on this. So this is the receiver unit. The receiver unit is connected with this shielded cable with a controller box. This controller box having a capacity to diagnosis 8 GHz system. So up to 8 GHz you can analyze any DUT kind of system. So and the back side there is a power supply knob. So first connector and second cables are there. Normally just turn on, switch it on. So this is also we have to switch on. So now it shows the APMS and asking set the frequency. Whatever you want, you can set this frequency by using keyboard button. So this is a 2, 4, 4, 5. Say enter. After entering it, you go to F3 button. So this is the F3 button you have to press. So there is F1 button, F2 button and F3 button. F3 button is for scan table. So you have to press the F3 button. Before that you have to make sure that your RF cable is connected with your antenna. This is my sensing antenna, which is a generally dipole antenna, and I am putting in front of it, and I am going to scan this scan table. So this is the F3 button. Now I have to press. So when you press F3 button, it shows 28 dBm power and 9 degree. So it's 22 degree. Now scan table is rotating. So here is the, like, you can sense from which direction it will give the maximum radiation you can analyze. Even for cross polarization you go for the vertical to horizontal, so you can see the cross polarization level of the device also. So you keep your cable like this way or hold by any other para PTFE stand. So in this way we are taking the readings. These readings, if you want to plot this reading using software, we have the USB at the back side, and by using that USB cable you can send that signal to the computer using USB cable. The USB cable port is at the back side. This is USB. So you can send this data to computer and plot the same thing. Thank you.